I'm your host for today. I'm Lynn. Today we are very honorable that we are having Mr. Wong create designer company and academy. So he will introduce to us about his company today. So Mr. Wong is already having 10 years experience in interior design and renovation. Currently, he is also a founder of carpentry factory and also aluminium factory. So before we going to introduce him to our TV program, let us have a brief introduction about his company. Mr. Wong, so you are the founder of Create Designer Company, and I have known that you have quite a lot of experience, more than 20 years experience in this industry. Could you let the audience know about why is the interior design so important?
Interior design nowadays is quite important for all the renovation because you need to do some planning before you start the renovation your house. So if you do it yourself, maybe you think you can save a lot of cost, but without experience, maybe you can losing more due to lacking of experience. So since I have been in this industry more than 20 years, there is always a demand of interior design service. With the development of the society and economy, for this of the demand, it's getting higher and higher.
Yeah, because nowadays we can see people they would like to renovate, like just now you mentioned they would like to renovate their own house, but maybe they don't know how to have their own creative idea into sketching or design. So if they are really interested, they want to learn about the sketching skills and also the interior design, could they join your program, or do you any recommended program from your academy?
Yeah, they can start from basic. So sketching skill is a very basic and this is a fundamental of the interior design. So you need to know how to sketch before you start the computer technical skill and all that.
Yeah. Could you let us know more about what kind of program your academy offer, and how long is the duration?
Okay, so the duration take you about 12 months. It's a part-time courses every week, maybe twice a week, and weekend classes. So it's a very comprehensive class. So it's a little bit different from the university of the more formal college, but we more to practical. Like what you have learned inside the class, you will start from sketching skill like perspective 1 point, 2 point, computer 2D, 3D, and even you finish all the fundamental of design skill, then you will start to know all the conceptualization like residential design, commercial design, office design, even some showroom design. This is all the professional courses that we provide.
Yeah. Could we know that like is there any entry requirement if like we are really interested into the course?
Yeah, actually we do have some requirement like you have to have a like basic understanding of English, Mandarin or Malay, even SPM. And if you really interested but you have experience, so we are welcome also.
If like those maybe like high school level, they might not come up with very good SPM result, can they join the class also?
Yes, you can take our certificate level first, and then we will take it like entry level.
I think that's really interesting for those who are really interested in like want to know more about interior design. So before we go into other question, so maybe we have another Mastia advertisement. Hi, welcome back to Mastia TV. So today we are very honorable that we are having Mr. Wong Wyman, founder of Create Designer Academy with us today. So Mr. Wong, could we know that like just like you mentioned about interior design course is quite important for those who are really interested, like even like maybe we are having our own house, we want to do some renovation, we can also come to your course and learn. And could we know more details in like which like who should attend this interior design course, like any industry expert like that?
Yes, of course. Do you feel like sometimes you're walking on the street and you're walking in the building and you see all the renovation, even the interior design, that doesn't really make you comfortable? Then I think your creativity is there, but you doesn't have any skill to unleash it. So if you come to Create Design Academy, I think this is the best place for you to unleash your potential of the creativity and start to learn some tools, a skill for all the computer 2D, 3D. It's a tool. So but nowadays all the computer skill is very easy to learn. So it's not like 10 years ago, like we learning all the interior design for the computer skill is very complicated. Like you need to start do like programming and all the calculation. That's really need a very professional skill. But nowadays it's very simple to learn for interior design.
Yeah. I think that's really important because I think quite a lot of people, they worry about like too complicated. Maybe when they pay, they learning in the course maybe like very difficult for them. So like just now you mentioned, like even SPM levels, they don't have SPM, or even maybe they are already working adult, or maybe they are already quite a lot of experience in their expert, they can also join the program, right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Could we know more about like actually what will be they learn inside the course? Because just now you mentioned about like 2D, 3D. Because I'm quite curious about that. What's
Okay.
Could you let us to know more about that?
Of course, basically for 2D is more to like space planning. Okay,
yeah.
so no matter what kind of design you start, you have to start planning first. So computer 2D designs the skill is a perfect tools for you to start designing your space, no matter it's your residential places, your commercial, or even your office. So without any planning, you start with conceptualization, you start with 3D, that is a bit confusing. Yeah, it's very hard to let you present yourself. Okay, So usually we start from basic, okay. So then we go deeper, like 3D drawing. So you have to learn like 3D X Max, SketchUp, V-Ray, and this is a more advanced tools that we have to learn inside the interior design. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Let's say like a beginner, they come with your course, they maybe just learning, like just now you mentioned, they're learning sketching, and then later on maybe they will need to do some floor plan. So if like they really interested to go in deeper, maybe they want to really become a professional interior designer, what would the process like? Is it necessary for them to like must be study in university like that?
Not really. You just have the basic understanding of like calculation or with all the measurement and some material, but you really don't have to worry, because we're going to teach you everything from the very basic, like if like millimeter, centimeter, even go to meter or even kilometer. It's very basic. I think even in primary school you start this, but sometimes people will forget. Yeah.
Okay, so maybe like you just do revision for them like that.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Because I know that like your academy also having quite a lot of program, like a pathway for them. Because like my friend, they are also interior designer. So let's say like starting from beginning, after that, I think quite a lot of people maybe they will also thinking about after they study in your program, will they get any working opportunity like that?
Yes, of course. We will assign you to a few interior design firm. Like you can start your internship there, maybe like 6 months. So our partner in interior design, they are quite solid interior design firm. So once you can go through their intern for, I can for sure that is quite firm for you to be a professional interior design. You will get all the knowledge that you.
Yeah, that's really good about this, because quite a people, they are really worrying where is the job opportunity for them.
Yeah.
Okay, so could you like summarize the benefit of learning interior design?
Okay, so the benefit, of course, you can just be from beginning, you can be a draft person. So you enter to a company, interior design company or contractor company. So maybe you can start to like helping them to draft floor plan, because the floor plan is a very important for all the company, because they need to do all the planning, of course. So if you consider like you are more ambitious, okay, so maybe you can start your career like you can draw a 3D drawing. So in the market price, if you find a contractor company or renovation company, you can try to approach them, okay. So maybe one drawing you can charge them like a few hundred ringgit, maybe like 500 or 800, some even higher. It depends on your portfolio and how creativity is your design. Yeah, actually for design there's no standard value, but it depends on how you create it. Yeah.
Okay. And then like how customer like your design.
Yes,
right?
yes, exactly. Yes.
Okay. So like if like there's someone outside, they would like to like, do some freelance or part-time, is it available?
Yes, of course. Yeah, we have it's quite high demand. Yeah, if you join our academy, once you complete all the courses that we are conducted, so you have an opportunity to get more job, because we are creating a platform for all the students. Once you come out, maybe you can start to promote your creativity, your 3D drawing, your portfolio. So let more people look at you and how attractive you are and how attractive is your design being created. Yeah.
Okay. Could you explain to audience about like, because I know that like after they having this program, this certificate and diploma program, at the end they will be having this learning assessment. How would be the learning assessment be?
Okay. So in this program, we totally have 6 modules. So each module you have to complete a project. It's considered assessment. So there's no examination inside, but you have to complete all the project with 6 projects inside the total program. 6 module for, yeah.
So that one would be more practically, right? After like lecturer, they teach about students how to draw, what was about interior design. So they will be working out on it, right?
Yes, of course, yeah.
Okay. So would we know like if they really interested, how can they register?
Okay, you can come to our website, createdesigner.com. Is quite easy to remember. So the name is even quite directly. So Create Designer, we are create more designers to helping you to become a real designer in this market.
Yeah, okay. So at the end of our program, what
Yeah.
else that you would like to share with our audience?
Okay. So if you think you are boring with the like all the, but there's many kind of job. Of course, there are also a lot of opportunity there. But if you want to make yourself more comfortable with your creativity, because I think all the job you need creativity. Even after you study our interior design courses, you doesn't have to be interior designer. You can start your career with like actually renovation. Okay, so you can gather all the contractors and how you making money from there. It's flexible time, so you can build your career easily.
Yeah, really interesting and give people quite a lot of opportunity. So if anyone of you feel interested, please contact Mr. Wong or go to their website to have a look. So thank you, Mr. Wong, for today.
Of course, thanks a lot.